Hey guys, how you doing? This is Pete, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your new own areas in KotOR. So first thing you need is NWMax, and also for this tutorial you need KotOR. Alright, so let's go ahead and come into General Utilities, like Set Environment. Alright, now I'm going to open up my material editor, and first with the second material I'm going to change to multi-sub-object. Discard the old material, set number to 20, and I'll explain more about this later. Alright, now I'm trying to do this fast, so that way I can stay underneath YouTube's 10-minute time frame. So, alright, also, before I start, I'd like to thank Canon over at Lucas Forums for creating the original tutorial that I saw that he created. So, I'll leave a link to that in my description. Alright, so now first thing we're going to do is create a huge box. My length segment is 198. My width is going to be, actually I'm going to probably boost this up a little bit more. So, there we go. So, as long as it's big, it doesn't really matter. I want to make it longer than it is. Tall though. Alright. So now we have something like this. Go ahead and convert it to an editable poly. Alright, select everything, and let's go ahead and go to flip. Right click, object properties, backface cull. And now we're going to select 4 on our keyboard. Ignore backfacing. Select the bottom plane. Alright, now you're going to detach it and name it walk mesh. I think I just renamed it walk mesh, wall mesh. But alright, anyway, now we're going to change this to PLOT. Let me plot Y. There's no reason. You can name it whatever you want. I just decided PLOT. So now I'm going to rename this walk mesh. You also don't need this walk mesh, but it helps us stay organized, so you know what it is. And let's go ahead and select plot, and we're going to add the first material to it where we did nothing to it. You can also add a texture to that if you want. Next one I'm going to add is walk mesh, and I'm going to add this. Actually, I pulled my walk mesh a little bit. Alright. Now I'm going to select 4, and I'm going to set a material ID of 1 to it. So let's go. Alright. And now we're done basically with that. Now what we need to do, select both of them, go to NWMax panel, go into Mesh Tools, select Tri-Mesh, uncheck Safe Pivots, reset X-Form, and now we're going to go ahead and add a few modifiers to them. So the first modifier is going to be Aura Tri-Mesh, and that's going to be added to your box. And now self-illumination color, change that to like a gray. Click OK. And none of this, you don't need any of this, you don't need to worry about that unless you're applying a texture. Parent right now should say none, and that's basically all you need to do for that. Now we're going to come to walk mesh, and we're going to select Aura walk mesh, and it'll automatically apply. If you don't see an orange box around it, then chances are you didn't do it right. As long as there's some different colored box around your plane, you should be fine. I don't know what it looks like in Gmax, because I haven't used Gmax in this in a long time. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to add an Aura D-Light, which should just add a little bit of light to our scene. I'm going to bring it up a lot, all the way up to the top basically. So it's right here, center it, okay. And now we're going to add Aura Base. And we're going to center it 000. Name is going to be plot, same name as our that. So, and make sure the model type is other. Select OK. Now you're going to select everything. Go into NWMax. Select Mesh Tools. Reset X-Form. And now Fast Linker. Now just select your plot up here. Go ahead, make sure that super is still null, N-O-N-U-L-L. Classification is other, and uncheck do sanity checks. Now we're going to go ahead and export this to our desktop. Alright, so export job only. Open up KotOR, go into model, load from ASCII, select your plot. Select plot. And now we're going to render our walk mesh, make sure it looks like this. And let's go ahead and export to binary. And we're going to change this to plot, and it'll automatically save as .wok. And just take off the WOK extension, it'll automatically save as .mdl and .mdx. Alright, that's all we need to do for this tutorial. The next tutorial we'll go over a little bit more, and after that we'll have one more tutorial, we'll be finished. Hope you guys enjoy it.